little artists. Today, I'm going to tell you a super funny story about a little girl named Emma and her rushed art project. So, grab your crayons and let's dive into the world of colors and creativity. Once upon a time, in a bright and bustling classroom, Emma was super excited about the big art competition announced by her teacher. The theme was "The World Through My Eyes," and Emma just knew she was going to win. But here's a twist. Emma was also super impatient. She wanted to finish her artwork before anyone else. "I'll be the fastest artist in the West," she declared. So as soon as the teacher said, "Start," Emma zoomed into action. She splashed paint here, scribbled crayons there, and glued glitter everywhere, all in a wild hurry. It was like a color storm had hit her art sheet. Now, pause for a giggle, because while Emma was rushing, her friends were taking their time, carefully choosing their colors and drawing neat lines. Time flew by and "Stop painting," called the teacher. Emma, panting and proud, held up her art. But instead of a beautiful landscape, it looked more like a blobby mess. Her mountains were wiggly, her sun was a blurry blob, and her river of glitter looked like a glitter explosion. Emma's face fell. She realized that by rushing, she missed out on enjoying her painting and making it as beautiful as she imagined. Meanwhile, her friend Lily, who was patient and careful, had painted a lovely garden that looked just like a dream. From that day, Emma learned a valuable lesson. Rushing through things can ruin the fun and the outcome. She promised to enjoy every moment of her art, taking time to make her visions come to life beautifully. So, little artists, remember, whether you're painting, building, or playing, take your time. Great things happen when you're patient and give your best effort. That's all for today's fun tale. Keep creating and remember, slow and steady makes awesome art. See ya!